I'm going to show you in Windows 7 how to set up your updates and patches. So if you go to Start and type Windows Update, choose Windows Update, and you want to go to Change Settings, and you want to make sure that all of these are checked, and particularly this one, because this isn't always on as default, and this will enable you to update Internet Explorer and other Office applications. And really you want to set your updates to be automatic, but for some reason maybe you want to check them first, then you might want to change it to download only, but I would recommend having this set like it is. If you want to check for updates, you simply click check for updates and it will let you know whether there is any new updates out. And if you want to view the details of those updates, you can look here. So you can see here we've got one important update. We can look for more information. This will tell us more.